Jason Guyman here with PressureWashHelp.com. So today I was kind of going through my computer and I found one of my older pressure washing trucks I put together. It's a great video. It's about a commercial rig I put together in 2016. And in 2016 I put this rig together. It made us probably $150,000, just this one truck. It might even been close to 200 that year. It was right before we used that same truck in 2017 where we hit the $1 million. So I know that truck did over $300,000. That one truck did. And it did a lot of commercial type work, this truck did. So I wasn't going to just let this video go away because it is a great video. So in this video, I'm going to show you it has two commercial 8-gallon a minute units on it with double hose reels, so that way we could run two motors at one time. And that's the reason why I made this video back then. I don't even know if I ever posted it. So I'm going to post it up here, and here you go. Let's have at it and watch it. So you can see on the back of it, we have two 8-gallon a minute pumps. This one here is an 8-gallon a minute Honda 630 GX, 8-gallon a minute. Over here we have the Subaru 25 horse when it's 3,500 psi at 8 gallons a minute. Here is our holding tank, and I'll just show you here. From our holding tank we come into our filters. We got a filter for each. One filter goes to the Subaru pump, the other filter goes here to the Honda pump. I've got it all quick connected. Right here's a quick connect, because every winter we pull everything off the truck, and this is our Christmas light truck. So that's why we made it so that it will come off easy. Over here we have the first reel here. It's for window cleaning. The DI tanks up front, I'll show you. We have two, this reel has 250 feet on it. The blue hose has 200 feet on it. And our water hose up here, I'm kind of tight cornered in our shop here, but our water hose is 150 feet mean green hose. We use mean green. It's light, and it does kink some, but it flows very good. That is 3/4 also. We have a toolbox here from Tractor Supply. Up there is our soap tank. It's a 100-gallon soap tank. In here, in this tube here, this is where we put our water-fed pole, so we can keep it out of the weather, keep people from stealing it. It's $1,500 pole. Last thing we want to do is have somebody think it's better at their house. You can see it there is our water-fed pole. We also got Mr. Long Arm in there, which how many people know what Mr. Long Arm is? Don't like Mr. Long Arm. My fuel tank is right here for right now. This is my old fuel tank off my old truck. I strapped it on. I had another fuel tank over there in the floor, and the whole bottom cracked out of it. It was an Amazon one, and they had problems. So this is kind of where it got stuck at for right now. Up here is our roof pump. It'll flow 9 gallons a minute. This is from Russ Johnson also. Does very good. It'll shoot about 45 feet up in the air. And this is our roof pump, right? Her roof hose right here. It's got 200 feet of it. It's from Bob, and that's what we got there. Back here is our DI tank for our exterior window cleaning. That's all we do is exterior window cleaning, so we don't get into the interior. We just stay on the outside. And then here is our surface cleaner for it is the 4 nozzle 19-inch whisper wash. And then there's our tank again for our soap tank. We do got a little bit of extra room for buckets for gutter cleaning and super wax. But this is our truck. Like I say, this is right here for our roof pump. I've actually came in, this is the suction line, and it goes up to here, so I can clean the pump out. This one actually goes down into the tank, and this line here goes up and into our soap tank, so I can close valves off, empty it out, which my guys didn't do right there, you can see. That's how we're able to do that. But this is our main truck for commercial, residential. It's our do-it-all truck. It's a beast. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. I got some more videos on trailers, pressure wash trailers, and stuff like that I'm going to keep posting. And if you go up here and check out this video right here, you will be able to see that whole playlist of my trailers. And I'm going to try to get more pressure washing trailers as I go, whether it's mine, somebody else's. So if you want to check out pressure washing rigs, trailers, that kind of stuff, check out this playlist. I'll see you over there. Thanks.